Real niggas first, family over money. Kingpin dreams, trap house jumping. Got my paper right, they can't tell me nothing. Grand all winter, fucking up the summer. Do it big time, might go get a Hummer. Even though you lying, tell me that you love me.
Yeah, man. So how do you attract clients for the high ticket offers?
Yeah, so I mean that's really where network comes in. Like I was saying before, going back to those three pillars that I was talking about. I mean, environment, network, and your vehicle. If you have those in place, it's gonna be really easy to just sell anything at the end of the day. So, most of our sales will come just from like affiliates or just networking. So just like this, me and you, hanging out, just like vibing, like you have that. When you have that personal relationship with someone, it's very, very easy to sell things.
For sure.
And especially, for me too, like, what I've realized, because actually, funny enough, I deleted Instagram and Facebook off my phone. I don't have them on my phone right now. Which is crazy, right?
Yeah, it is.
So, because like I'm really, really, for this season of my life, I just really want to focus on this right here, just like actually like giving you my full attention. I want to be here with you right now, and I want to be like on social, like just like spending these waste. I mean, it's just like I think that there's a place for it. It's a massive tool. It can bring you a lot of success, but it also can be extremely toxic and take a ton of your time.
Yeah, for sure.
So I don't want to take any more of my time. Like I don't want to be wasting any energy on it. And it's like, I don't want to be in a room with people that I care about. And I'm like on Instagram. Like, it's just like, that's just like such a waste. I'd rather be here present with you right now and giving you everything I got.
That's real. I respect that. I respect that a whole lot.